guys, it's Cassie and today we have a Chanel unboxing. I have been waiting for this item for what, like 6 months? Ever since I saw it on the Spring/Summer 2021 runway. My heart pitter-pattered in my chest. Okay, it was love at first sight. I simply had to make this tiny bag mine. So we're going to be unboxing this today. Let's just get into it, all right? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I already know that this became available a few weeks ago in the black with gold hardware and in the all silver hardware. I'll be going through price and everything. And the all silver caviar leather with the silver hardware. Looking glorious and everything, but I knew straight off the bat I wanted the pink. I don't know what it was. I'm not usually a pink kind of gal, but it was calling to me, it was saying my name. So my essay was like, oh, we have it in these colours, and I was like, no, I'm waiting for the pink. I know I want the pink. Ooh, with this little thing, petite maroquinieri. Wow, that just lose the accent halfway through, Cassie. Okay, little box, little bag. Oh my gosh, I haven't seen it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I can feel its tiny little body. Take you out of it. Okay, it'll just... What colour are you? You're like a pinky coral. You're so cute. That's what I've been waiting for. That tiny 2-finger hang. Oh my gosh, you're so much more substantial than I thought. You little minx, you. Okay. First impressions. Caviar leather. She's pink, but it's like a corally pink. To be honest, I would say no. What's coming up on camera around here looks pretty accurate. It is. It's a very, I don't know, it's not a fuchsia. It's like a corally, it's like a dark corally situation. Just look at that tiny little handle with its little, it's attached there with its little gold something. I can't string a sentence together. And that is just so cute. But it's actually bigger than I thought it was, which means that it's actually useful. Oh my gosh. Snaps, brownie points, get it. Actually a useful tiny bag. Wonderful. Okay, we have, the chain is super short. So I think I'm gonna like do a try on and everything else. You'll see where it hits me on the body. But this is just everything and more. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then these are attached to little D-rings over here. Okay, wow. Okay, let's get into it, Cassie. I just love the fact that one of the zips has got the little Chanel CC. Let's take you out of your little jacket. Yeah, I'm missing a nail, okay? Let's not. I'm sorry, struggling, okay? Look at the little, I love the fact that they're mismatched. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is just the cutest little thing. Okay, let's unzip for me. Unzip for me, baby. Oh, this is getting weird. Okay, ooh, authenticity card. Great, good to know. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is so adorable. Like, it looks like a little, what is that thing? The muffins. They're not muffins. Muppets. It looks like a little, like, Muppet mouth, right? She's cute. What does she fit? This is the question. Okay, price-wise, this is £1,370. I will have the dollar amount on the screen. To put things into perspective, this was 1,500-ish. And then, to put it in even more context, a Chanel wallet on chain is just over £2,000, I believe. And this lives in the SLG section of the website. So if you're like looking through, it's not technically deemed to be a bag, it's deemed to be a small leather good, and she is small and she is mighty. Okay, what can we fit inside? Now, my question here is it going to fit? Okay, card holder does not fit, but cards will fit. Okay, you are in current rotation. Cards, there we go, that's a business card of somebody that's not me. Okay, so cards fit comfortably in. Keys will also, because she's like a little bit, oh, look at that, I also like that the fact that the inside is fabric lined. It's not leather, so I don't need to worry about keys scratching and all of that business. What else could we put? Could we put hand sanitizer? Are you gonna fit? You're gonna have to lie down. You're gonna have to lie down in there. Fine, fine. Mask. This one is silk. Silk masks are truly the way to go. It preserves the makeup, preserves the skin. Folded, it's going in there. Brilliant. What else? I mean, let's be honest. You're not going to fit your life in here. You're not going to fit an umbrella. What world are we living in, you know? So you're going to get your little essentials and you're off. You're sodded off. What? Oh my gosh. This with the gold hardware is just the cutest little thing. Oh my gosh, I could eat it, but I shouldn't, but I want to. It looks like taffy. Does it? Is this the colour I'm thinking of? Yes. That kind of like candy taffy. Okay, right, let's see how it looks on the body. Just look at the proportions. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, 3 ways to wear her. 3 ways. Number 1. Yes. Just a casual, subtle hanging flex. Hello. Hi. Hello. Yes, I am just here for the pint of milk. Thank you so much. Oh, don't worry. I know that I didn't have to flex this hard. It's just why not. Way number 2. Sodden crossbody. Oh my gosh. This is the way that I'm going to enjoy wearing her the most. I just know. I just know. Look at that. Just the perfect, just right on that left hip bone. Oh, just where I like my crossbodies. Made for me. Okay, so I'm 5'5". This is where it hits me on my body. Not particularly sure if I've got a long or short torso, but here I am for reference. Oh, sorry, it's time to pay for the pint of milk. Yes, yeah, oat, of course. Yeah, thank you. My payment method? Thank you so much. Thank you, yes. Straight back in there, nice and easy. Tuck everything in, zip round we go. Oh my gosh. She is the cutest, okay? Without a doubt, undoubtedly. But hold on a second, okay? This is the casual flexor. Okay, this is the, I know I'm killing it. I know I'm killing it. And I'm just 2 finger pinching for you, just to enjoy that. What? This, oh God. Don't ever speak to me and my child again. Wow. The audacity of you. Oh, I love it. This is just giving me like those like Chanel runways in the 90s that like, you know when they were doing sodding ankle bracelet bags? What? How crazy, what a weird little flex. Like my child is just going to flex to death in this. Gotta jump in to make it super clear, my future child. Okay, there's not like one on the horizon, all right? Managing expectations. Let me know what you think of my tiny new child, my little addition to the Cassie Bag family. Oh my gosh, you are so welcome. You have belonged here all of your tiny life. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you think. I'm clearly this close to hyperventilating out of pure joy. I'm going to leave a link to another video here in case you haven't already seen it. Have an amazing morning, afternoon or evening wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.